always promised myself after I wrote that song that one day I'd write a sequel. Get around to it. This next song is the sequel. They're all sequels. Here's a song I wrote in a hospital room, about half out of my head. It's called C-Sections and Railway Trestles. Dad just a muscle and mama just a vessel, meant to cough on over, cuddle and nestle. But dad's just a bear you can tackle down and wrestle. Son, give me time, I'm a bona fide meso. If mama says no, maybe dad'll say yes-o. Did you do wrong? Well, go ahead, confess-o. Dad just a muscle and mama just a vessel. You all blue and your mama like a rattle, came out looking like a smurf in a battle. Me in the nosebleeds, mama in the saddle, brave like a Sioux, brave going into battle. Emotion going like a stampede of cattle, real like rain and coffee in Seattle. Anesthesiologist, fiddle and faddle, you all blue and your mama like a rattle. Lucifer's teeth introduced the epidural. Dr. Jones, do you need a heaven referral? God send you down to me and my girl. She's long and tall and healthy as hell, but the plan went to hell when the little fella fell. Boy went head first into her pelvis, 1956, shaking like Elvis. Yesterday born and already thinking, body like a Ford and a mind like a Lincoln. Mama and Papa in love and sinking into a brand new situation, drinking up coffee like a fish on second and third shift, loving every single ever loving minute of this. Standing ovation for the OR specialist. Let me get close, wanna give my son one kiss on his head, on his little pumpkin head. On doing it even though he's 10 years old now, and he'll still lend me every now and again. For the future, health and dental, picking up my baby boy, easy and gentle. Soup for the family, sausage and lentil, beans and greens, arugula and fennel. Don't ever sleep, I'm about to go mental, but nothing so far has been accidental. Can't keep my life, so it's gotta be a rental. Picking up my baby boy, easy and gentle. Oh, you're long and strong like a railway trestle. Dad just a muscle and mama just a vessel, meant to cough on over, nuzzle and nestle. But dad's just a bear you can tackle down and wrestle. You can have a pop tent or you can have a castle. Try to change people, but it's gonna be a hassle. Don't have to be an astronaut for NASA, but it's always good to get a gown and a tassel. Son, have fun with your life, it's a drama. Just one period and all kinds of commas. Now you got a onesie, but then you get pajamas. You know you got me, and you know you got your mama.